everyone. It's Marley Williamson with DTGtv. Since 2017, Refugee Artisan Initiative has envisioned creating a welcoming global community that values and invests in refugee and immigrant women. They are able to achieve healthy, stable, and fulfilling lives in the PNW and beyond. Let's check out what they're doing to be sustainable.
Why not combine the three, create jobs for refugee women with living wages? So we'll introduce you to our zero waste pet products. I want to show you what inspired me. I'm an immigrant myself, and I care for refugee immigrant women because I understand the struggle they go through. Language, transportation, childcare. So we'll create a home-based environment so they can provide for their family while using their skill. So we have 12 artisans by 5 countries. Some earn their first paycheck in our program.
Nice work, Refugee Artisan Initiative. You guys are really barking up the tree. Special thanks to Seattle Good for helping provide the video. To see the full video, check out the link below. And remember, if you're as obsessed with the planet as we are, make sure to follow DTG Recycle on the social media platform of your choice. I'm Marley Williamson for DTGtv.